Coco.
His baby. Hi. Hi.
Someone knows how to crawl.
Did he walk all the way to you?
He walks, you just gotta lean him forward a little bit, and then put your hand like this.
There he goes. Don't be shy.
Back it up.
Don't be camera shy. Come on, Luke. Hey. There he goes. He's going. What's he doing? He's changing his mind? Are you changing your mind? Come on. It's hard to see him because in the light. Don't have any lights on it. Why do you keep turning that light out? That one.
What?
You can hardly see him in this. Luke. Luke, baby. Where you going? Where you going? Are you gonna get me? Are you gonna get me? Are you gonna get me? Here he comes! Here he comes! Here he comes! Here he comes! Luke! Luke, he's coming! Daddy, get him a puff.
Luke, you want a puff?
It's like rewarding the dog. Yay! Not for you, Coco. Yay, Dada! See ya.